One of the things that makes Zeilinger Wool so special is that we're a fourth-generation family business, and we've been processing natural fibers for over 100 years. My husband's family started this business in 1910, and it has been passed on from generation to generation, and it's still here in this community today. People naturally gravitate towards the machinery. If you walked into Zeilinger Wool today, you would see machines that are used in 1910. You would see the same thing that we ran back then. You would be seeing workers that do the same tasks as they did in 1910, so that is something that is very unique about our business. I joined the business about 8 years ago. My husband was washing wool and doing many things in the business. He was answering phones, helping manage, doing so many things, and he actually wanted some help and said, "Can you help me to stop washing wool?"
Why don't you just do this, dude? When I started working here in 1995, I was 15 years old, and I washed wool. And then when I was about 18, about 3 years later, I started learning how to card. I've learned the trait, and I'm still learning the trait today.
You know, John sometimes has to wash wool if that's what he has to do, but he's also doing other jobs. He is the VP of manufacturing, so he's making sure that all the maintenance is done on the machines. He is making sure that the orders are being ran. So I volunteer for the American Sheep Industry Wool Council, and what our focus is the usage of American wool here in the US and overseas. I'm doing that so that we can be educated on where American wool is used, make connections and network with other mills, and to be able to have American wool be at the forefront of people's minds. As being a part of that organization, I get to see what's happening with American wool at a large scale, like in military uniforms. Since we're a small scale mill, mainly getting to consumer market, seeing the military usage in those mills is really neat. Our focus for Zeilinger Wool Company is to have a product that's 100% American wool and American made. We want people to have American wool in their hands, and we don't want the wool to leave the United States. A lot of the products that are made in the United States that are being sold in a consumer market are imported wool. They're also imported products. So everything that we make here is not that. We're making it here on site, we're using American wool, and we're connecting with those farms that we purchase the wool from. So when we go on the road, we actually meet the people that we're processing the wool for. So we see them face to face, shake hands with them, sometimes exchange hugs, lots of conversations about how much we love wool and they love wool. Our relationship with the farmer is very important. We're really going there to their farm, seeing them personally, feeling their wool in the raw state, watching their sheep be shorn. And so when we go there, it's really important to have a really close relationship with them because they've cared for these animals through this whole process. So for them, having a wool mill impacts them because, one, we can purchase their wool and turn it into an end product that they can be super proud of, or we could produce a product for them that they can be super proud of. So either it's us buying the wool from them and producing a product, or it's them getting a product produced by us that they're turning around and selling. There's misconceptions about wool, that it's itchy, that it's grandma's wool, that you have things that the older generation had. But today, it's in many things. It's in socks and it's in wearables, and there's different breeds of sheep. They produce different types of wool. So you could have a really soft wool that is in your wearables, and the wool that may be a little bit itchy is covered with fabric and made for you to sleep on. There's a movement of wool taking place because people are caring about where their clothes come from. And it's because wool is a natural, biodegradable, eco-friendly product. The other things like acrylic, they're made with oils and it's polluting the earth. And here at Zeilinger Wool Company, we're wanting to make a more positive impact on our planet. Our commitment to you is making a product that's made in America with American wool that's sustainable and good for the planet. Thank you for supporting our fourth generation business and giving us the opportunity to move it to the fifth.